Swadika, you are with me, Tisha. Today, I'm going to teach you mathematics. We're going to go through everything together, step by step. What I want you to have a notebook and paper with me. We're going to go through this diagram together. So, I'm going to teach you unit circle, the diagram of them that link with circular function, sine, cos, tan. If you're ready, let's go together. Okay guys, from here I have unit circle and we're going to go through everything together step by step. The first step, you need to know that in one circle, I'm going to write down here super quick, right? You know that half of the circle is 180. Does it make sense? 180 degree here. And half of them equal pi. Okay, all of this one is just pi. So if we talk about all of the circle, whole of them, so whole of them is 360. Does it make sense? And it's equals to pi. Yeah? So you need to know this concept first. Okay. Now, half of the circle is 180, but all of them, when it's come together, let me write down here. All of them is 360, which is equal to pi. So that means from here to here is pi. Yeah, half. And then when you go round all of them, half is pi. All of them have to be 2 pi. Okay. Let's say now we're going to draw the unit circle with link with circular function here together. Alright, let me put a line here for us. Yep, and another one could be here. Yes, and of course, this one is y and x. Do you remember something? Super quick. You remember that on the up here of y is positive, yeah? If we go down here, it's negative. For x, go to the right side, positive. Left side is negative. Okay, if you understand all of this concept, we are able to go next. Okay, so from here, you could see I have 0. Go to half pi, this one is pi. It's 2 pi here. Does it make sense, huh? Pi, 2 pi. Okay. Let I tell you something. I'm going to give you the tip. Really easy one. It seems like if we have cos theta, we give it like x. And sine theta, we give it like y. Okay, look at here carefully. If I have theta here. Okay, I write down here theta. So this point, I give it the point theta. And I could give another name here as well. I give in this spot, I call A. Yep, so that means distance between 0 here to here, we give it A. And at the same time, if I do like this for this one, I could give this one B. Does it make sense, huh? Yeah? So now at theta, this point P theta, we could write down something. I give you more information. Is equal point X and Y. We could say that point A and B, or point X and Y. Yeah, basic one. X, Y. Or we could say this point is cos theta. Yes, cos theta and sine theta. I give you a technique first. Next one, but I would like to focus on here. Okay, why But if you go this way, theta as well, same theta, yeah, same side of theta here. Well, what is this point exactly? It is the point where, okay, can you see something? 0 to pi is pi. And then you minus theta. So this point is pi minus theta. Does it make sense, huh? I hope this one is makes sense for you. We try to go step by step. Let's see. Okay, let me point here. You have theta. And then all of them pi. And so on the other side is the point at pi minus theta. Does it make sense? Next one, guys, if I make that line here, whoop, I can see here our x is minus a or negative a, yeah, because I know that on the left side of x-axis it is negative. Next one. How about I have this theta here. Alright, let's see if I have theta here. Obviously, this point is where pi and then u plus another theta. Does that make sense, huh? Look at here carefully. I'm going to make the line here. Whoop. To here is pi. Yep. And then we plus another theta. So this point is the point where pi plus theta. Yeah. Make sense or not? So another one, if you have it in here. Look at this one carefully. Oh, let me point this one for you as well, super quick. Okay. Can you tell me something, please? This point here, what is the value? Yes, obviously it has to be negative b, yeah, because y here we call positive, below we call negative. Okay. Who are able to tell me what is this point? Okay, I give you the hint at this point here. All of them, the circle that I have teach you, all of them here is 2 pi. And then you have to deduct or minus with the theta, yeah? So this point is 2 pi minus theta. Yes, that's it. Alright. Are you with me? Can we go together step by step? Don't forget that you need to write down with me as well. Okay. Ooh. Look good. Okay. Next one. On the right side here, we call quadrant 1. And you can see from quadrant 1, our x is positive and our y is positive too. Okay. And what does it mean here? It means that our side... Okay, I'm going to tell you about sine cos tan again. Our sine is positive. Our cos means x, cos is positive. And I want to tell you about tan. But I need to teach you something here super quick. If you remember about sine cos tan. Okay guys, draw this photo together. Quick one. If you have theta here, right? Here is theta. This one is right angle. Okay. And the side that next to the theta we call adjacent. The side that opposite the angle we call opposite. And the one that opposite the right angle we call hypotenuse. I just would like to recap super quick. Sine theta. Do you remember sine theta? Sine theta equal opposite over. Do you remember this one? Opposite over hypotenuse. Very good. How about cos theta? cos theta equal adjacent over hypotenuse. Next one, let's see. How about tan theta? Tan theta. Do you remember this one? Yes, of course, it's equal opposite over adjacent. But another formula that you need to know is, okay, let me write down here super quick. Tan theta equals sine theta over cos theta as well. Whoa, we have learned a lot. Let's see. Whoa. Okay, everyone, you go with me here. Look again. Sine theta equal opposite over hypotenuse. Yeah. Cos theta equals adjacent over hypotenuse. How about tan theta? It's equal opposite over adjacent here. And another formula that you need to know is tan theta equals sine theta divided by cos theta. And we're going to apply all of these one for our unit circle which link to the circular function as well. Come back here, guys. What I know from here, I know that tan theta equals sine over cos, yeah? So it's equal positive divided by positive. So that means our tan theta needs to be positive. Does that make sense? Yeah, I just try to teach you briefly, give you the technique. Okay, next one. Who's going to tell me about the quadrant 2? Okay, this quadrant we call quadrant number 2, quadrant 2, and of course, our cos is negative, but our sine is positive. So what does it mean? It means that our sine theta is positive. Everything that in quadrant 2, you have to know that the sine or y, sine theta mean y, is positive, but the cos is, yes, of course, cos is negative. I write down here, cos is negative. How about tan? We know that tan equals sine theta over cos, so positive divided by negative, it is negative. Let's go next to our quadrant 3 here. Obviously, we know that x is negative, yeah, and our y is negative as well. So I'm going to write down here our sine is negative. Our cos is negative too. And our tan equals sine divided by cos. Negative divided by negative is obviously positive. Who are ever to tell me about quadrant number 4, quadrant 4 of us? Yes, obviously our cos or x, we can see that our x is positive. And how about our y? Yes, it is negative. So I'm going to write down here. Our sine is negative, yeah, sine is y. Our cos is positive, and our tan, again, look at this. Our formula, tan theta equal sine theta divided by cos theta is here. Whoop. So our tan theta is negative divided by positive, of course, is negative. Everyone from here, we need to give the big hand to ourselves. Yay. Okay. If you write down until here, you know the concept. Give the big hand to yourself. Okay, the next step, I'm going to teach you more about sine cos tan of this angle that you need to know. There are 30, 60, 90, and 45 as well. Let's go together. Okay, this model or diagram you need to understand them and remember them because you're going to apply a lot. Go with me step by step. Okay. This one is 60. And this angle is 30. I told you already that in one circle is 360. So look from here as well, it's 60. 60 degree. If you want to change it in form of pi, from here you know that pi is equal 180. So I will go super quick. We have all of this one. Half of them we know that is pi. If I divide it by 3, it's going to be like this. Yep. So that means 180 divided by 3 is equal 60 degree, or another way is equal pi, or pi divided by 3. So there is a reason that 60 degree equals pi divided by 3. Okay, that makes sense. And I'm going to do the same thing with 30 degree. Whatever what I mean, 30 degree equal pi divided by 6. Okay guys, come back here super quick. 30 degree equal pi, yeah, divided by 6. So you need to know all of this one. But the main point that I would like to teach you, if you see something like this, you need to know that this side is 1 and another side is root 3, and the one that longest is equals 2. Okay, that makes sense. Let's see the next one. I would like to teach you about 45 degree. Okay. Let's say, okay, we use different color. I try to fit everything in one page. Okay, if this one is 45 and 45, 45 as well. Yeah, 45 degree. Let's see, I'm going to draw half of the circle super quick here. Yes, and you know that half of them 90 and another half is 45. So 45 equal pi divided by 4. Yes, pi divided by 4. All of this one is pi. Okay, that makes sense. So the length of each side that you need to know is 1, 1, and another one is square root 2. Try to remember all of this one. We finished the video clip for today. I hope you understand all of the concept of the circular function and unit circle. Alright, I plan as well for the next video clip. I would like to teach you more about graph, sine, and cos, and tan as well. But today, I think we should finish the video clip. I would like to say thank you very much. ขอบคุณมากค่ะto watch the video. And if you want to follow me, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram. I see you next video clip. Have a lovely day. See you. สวัสดีค่ะ Bye bye.